Axie boundlessness cost especially equivalent to $9.0100 a coin, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. The present exchange cost range, 8.9760 which really is very huge. The earlier day close, 9.0490 in an essentially enormous way. The change was 0.0390, 0.43%, which generally is very huge. Backwards rate, USD to Axie in an unpretentious way. Axie limitlessness value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Axie vastness cost forecast on Monday, April 17, cost $9.31, most extreme 9.96, truly least 8.66, which essentially is very critical. Axie vastness estimate on Tuesday, April 18, cost $9.51, really most extreme 10.18, kind of least 8.84, exhibiting that reverse rate, USD to Axie in an unpretentious way. Axie vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, April 19, cost $9.42, by and large most extreme 10.08, fundamentally least 8.76, showing how Axie boundlessness estimate on Tuesday, April 18, cost $9.51, in every practical sense, greatest 10.18, essentially least 8.84, exhibiting that essentially opposite rate, USD to Axie in an exceptionally huge way. Axie vastness figure on Thursday, April 20, cost $9.44, greatest 10.10, essentially least 8.78, which certainly is very critical. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Friday, April 21, cost $9.65, sort of most extreme 10.33, really least 8.97, or so they especially thought. In multi-week Axie vastness estimate on Monday, April 24, cost $9.61, exceptionally most extreme 10.28, certainly least 8.94, or so they by and large thought. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost $9.30, by and large most extreme 9.95, especially least 8.65, showing how today S exchange cost range 8.9760 9.1560, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost $9.57, sort of most extreme 10.24, especially least 8.90, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Thursday, April 27, cost $9.36, genuinely greatest 10.02, least 8.70, which generally is genuinely huge. Axie endlessness figure on Friday, April 28, cost $9.73, by and large most extreme 10.41, beautiful least 9.05, which in a real sense is very huge. In about 14 days Axie endlessness cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $9.85, for the most part greatest 10.54, kind of least 9.16. Axie endlessness estimate on Tuesday, May 2, cost $9.85, most extreme 10.54, fundamentally least 9.16, which essentially is very huge. Axie boundlessness cost forecast on Wednesday, May 3, cost $9.62, extremely greatest 10.29, really least 8.95, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie endlessness figure on Thursday, May 4, cost $9.77, greatest 10.45, kind of least 9.09, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $9.92, beautiful greatest 10.61, all things considered, least 9.23, which most certainly is genuinely critical. In 3 weeks Axie limitlessness gauge on Monday, May 8, cost $9.63, by and large greatest 10.30, really least 8.96, or so they in every practical sense thought. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $9.94, by and large greatest 10.64, really least 9.24, in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie vastness conjecture on Wednesday, May 10, cost $10.20, especially greatest 10.91, truly least 9.49, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Axie vastness cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $9.73, in every practical sense, greatest 10.41, genuinely least 9.05, which truly is very huge. Axie limitlessness estimate on Friday, May 12, cost $9.88, especially greatest 10.57, genuinely least 9.19, or so they in a real sense thought. In about a month Axie vastness cost expectation on Monday, May 15, cost $9.83, sort of most extreme 10.52, especially least 9.14, which explicitly is very huge. Axie limitlessness figure on Tuesday, May 16, cost $9.41, certainly greatest 10.07, exceptionally least 8.75, or so they generally thought. USD to Axie conversion scale most certainly equivalent to 0.1110 coins per $1 in an extremely significant manner. Today, S reach 0.1092 minus 0.1114. The past day, S nearby 0.1105, which generally is very huge. Change for now plus 0.0005, plus 0.45% in an exceptionally significant way. USD to Axie cost gauge for, in the not-so-distant future and month in an unobtrusive manner. Dollar to Axie endlessness conjecture on Monday, April 17, cost 0.107 coins. By and large most extreme 0.115, least 0.100, or so they explicitly thought. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.105 coins. Truly greatest 0.113, really least 0.098, which generally is genuinely huge. Dollar to Axie vastness figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.106 coins, especially most extreme 0.114, especially least 0.099, or so they explicitly thought. USD to Axie expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost 0.106 coins. By and large most extreme 0.114, especially least 0.099 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Axie limitlessness conjecture on Friday, April 21, cost 0.104 coins, sort of greatest 0.111, all things considered, least 0.097 in a genuinely enormous way. In multi-week USD to Axie expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 0.104 coins, truly greatest 0.112, all things considered, least 0.097. Dollar to Axie boundlessness gauge on Tuesday, April 25, cost 0.108 coins, sort of most extreme 0.116, sort of least 0.101. USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 0.104 coins, greatest 0.112, really least 0.098 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Axie limitlessness estimate on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.107 coins, fundamentally most extreme 0.115, certainly least 0.100, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to Axie forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 0.103 coins, kind of greatest 0.110, lovely least 0.096 in a really significant way. In about 14 days dollar to Axie vastness estimate on Monday, May 1, cost 0.102 coins, truly greatest 0.109, certainly least 0.095, which really is genuinely critical. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.102 coins, in every way that really matters, greatest 0.109, least 0.095. Dollar